Hey everyone, welcome back to Skin and Health, your trusted channel for natural skincare and wellness tips. If you struggle with acne, pimples, or oily skin, you know how frustrating it can be. But here's the good news, you don't need expensive products. Today, I'll share with you some of the most effective DIY face masks that you can easily make at home using natural ingredients. These masks will help control oil, fight pimples, and leave your skin fresh and clear. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a bonus mask that works as an overnight spot treatment. First up is the powerful Honey and Cinnamon Mask. Why it works. Honey is antibacterial and soothing. Cinnamon improves circulation and fights acne-causing bacteria. How to make it. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. This mask is amazing for calming active breakouts and preventing new pimples. Next, let's make a turmeric and yogurt mask. Why it works. Turmeric reduces inflammation and brightens skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and reduces excess oil. How to make it. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply evenly and leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel smoother, less oily, and look brighter instantly. Now, let's talk about the ultimate aloe vera and tea tree mask. Why it works. Aloe vera soothes irritation and hydrates without clogging pores. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that kills acne-causing bacteria. How to make it. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Mix and apply a thin layer to your skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse. This mask works wonders if you have painful, inflamed pimples. For oily skin, nothing beats a clay and ACV mask. Why it works. Clay, like bentonite or kaolin, absorbs excess oil. Apple cider vinegar restores pH and fights bacteria. How to make it. Mix 1 tablespoon of clay powder with enough ACV to form a paste. Apply and let it dry for 10 minutes. Wash off with water. Use this mask once a week. It's strong but super effective for oily, acne-prone skin. If your skin is oily but also sensitive, try this oatmeal and honey mask. Why it works. Oatmeal gently exfoliates and calms irritation. Honey keeps skin soft while fighting bacteria. How to make it. Blend 2 tablespoons of oats into a fine powder. Mix with 1 tablespoon of honey and a little warm water. Apply for 15 minutes, then rinse. This mask balances oil without over-drying your skin. Now for the bonus tip. A simple overnight spot treatment. How to do it. Dab a little aloe vera gel or diluted tea tree oil directly onto pimples. Leave overnight and rinse in the morning. This works like a natural pimple patch to calm breakouts overnight. And that's it. 5 powerful DIY masks plus a bonus spot treatment. All natural, effective, and easy to make at home. Remember, consistency is key. Try 1 or 2 masks that fit your skin type and stick with them for best results. Which mask are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Skin and Health for more skincare tips and DIY remedies. See you in the next video.